Here triangle ABC similar to PQR, this is given. So that is given in the data. As per this, we can write all the three sides are proportional and the corresponding angles are equal. Now what I do, so I take this AB by PQ as it is, AB by PQ as it is equal to BC by QR. Only these two I will take. So now AB by PQ let us write as it is. So here instead of BC by QR, because look at this, I can write BC as 2 times BD, because AD is median, D is the midpoint. So let us write it as 2 times BD. So here 2 times BD and divided by PQ. So QR can be written as 2 times QM, 2 times QM. So here M is the midpoint, so therefore QR can be written as 2 times QM. So here BC can be written as 2 times BD. So that's what we are written in the ratio now. So now here 2 and 2 cancels. What it gives? It gives you AB by PQ. AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM. So we proved this one. So this sides, look at this. AB by PQ. AB is this side by PQ. And then BD by QM. We have shown that these two sides are proportional. Now already we have angle B is equal to Q, because it's an angle of similar triangle ABC and PQR. So therefore we can write like this. So we have angle B is equal to angle Q. So it is because triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay, so therefore two sides are proportional and one angle, included angle, is equal. Therefore I can write triangle ABD similar to triangle PQM. So I can write ABD similar to PQM. This ABD small triangle is similar to PQM. If these two triangles are similar, I can write the sides are proportional, corresponding sides. So AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM. It is also equal to AD by PM. So look at this. AB by PQ is the sides of the triangle ABC and PQR, and this is a median. AD by PM, they are the medians of the triangle. AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. This is what we wanted to prove. AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. So sides of the triangle, ratio of the sides of the triangle is same as the ratio of the medians, corresponding medians. So that is what we have proved here. So to prove this, important thing you have to follow here. First ABC and PQR, they are given similar. So therefore you can write the corresponding sides are proportional and the corresponding angles are equal. Using corresponding sides proportional, you can write AB by PQ as BC by QR. Then instead of BC you can write 2 times BD. Instead of QR you can write 2 times QM. So then you will get AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM. And use this angle B is equal to Q. So therefore by SAS similarity, you can prove these two triangles are similar. These small triangles are similar. So if they are similar, you can write AB by PQ is same as AD by PM. They are the corresponding sides of these two similar triangles. We'll go to the theorem. Theorem is areas related to similar triangles. Areas of similar triangles. The statement is like this: the ratio of areas of similar triangles, ratio of areas of two similar triangles, is equal to square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Now this is the given in the question, and the remaining what you have to prove. This portion what you have to prove. So you have to prove this one. The first part is this one, what is given, and you have to prove this. By taking this, you have to draw the diagrams, ratio of areas of two similar triangles. So let us write two similar triangles here. So you have to draw two similar triangles. I am going to write ABC is one triangle. So let us take this is a triangle ABC similar to another triangle. So you can write this is PQR. ABC similar to PQR. Two ratio of areas of two similar triangles. It is given clearly similar triangles. Therefore, I have taken ABC similar to PQR. So given. So you can write here triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. This is the data they have given. So what you have to prove here? To prove, you see the second part of the statement. What you have to prove? You have to prove that ratio of areas of two similar triangles equal to square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So that means ratio of areas of two similar triangles. So area can be written like this: area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR. So this is the ratio of areas of two similar triangles. Ratio of areas of two similar triangles. ABC and PQ are similar triangles. Ratio of their areas. I have written area as AR of triangle ABC, AR of triangle PQR. That means area of triangle ABC and area of triangle PQR. It is equal to, we have to prove that, equal to ratio of the, equal to square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So that means AB by PQ. This is the ratio of corresponding sides, and the square of this one, whole square you have to write. Then for BC and QR are corresponding sides, it is the ratio and whole square. The last side AC by PR, so whole square. So you have to prove that ratio, square of the ratio of the corresponding sides, ratio of the corresponding side AB by PQ, square of it, AB by PQ whole square. BC and QR are the corresponding sides. BC by QR whole square, because you have to make the square of the ratio of the corresponding sides. Then AC by PR whole square. So all these are equal to the ratio of their areas. Square of the ratio of their corresponding sides is equal to ratio of their areas. So now let us go to the proof here. So proof part. So let us go to the proof. So here, look at this in the question. We need to find the area of triangle ABC and area of triangle PQR. So you tell me what is the formula to find the area of triangle ABC. I want to find the area of triangle ABC. Half into base into height. We don't have here height. Let us draw one perpendicular here. So you can draw one perpendicular here. So I will call this as AD, and here also I need one perpendicular. You can call this as PS. Okay, so here we need construction. So therefore let us write, before going to the proof, so let us write the construction here. Before we go to the proof, let us write construction. What is the construction here? Draw AD perpendicular to BC and PS perpendicular to QR. So we have drawn two perpendiculars, QS perpendicular to PS perpendicular to QR, AD perpendicular to BC. Now let us go to the proof now. So in the proof, let us find out first area of triangle ABC now. Area of triangle ABC, we have the formula half into base into height. Use this formula. So therefore area of triangle ABC is equal to half into, in ABC triangle, base is BC, height is AD. You can write height as AD. See, area of ABC, base BC, height AD, half into BC into AD. Similarly, you have to find out the area of triangle. Similarly, area of triangle ABC, PQR. So let us write PQR. Half into base here QR. So you can write here QR into height is PS. So we got these areas. Next step is we need to find the ratio of these two triangles, area of the triangles. So let us find this one. Look at this, what you have to prove. ABC divided by PQR. Here also area of triangle ABC area of triangle PQR. So let us divide this one. Half into BC into AD divided by half into QR into PS. Now look at this, 1 by 2 cancels. You will get BC divided by QR into BC by QR into AD by PS. So this is one relation required for the proof. We got the ratio of areas of remaining triangles as BC by QR into AD by PS. Take this as 1. Look at this. This ratio I wanted to prove AB by PQ whole square or BC by QR whole square. Either you take AB by PQ or BC by QR. So now we have BC by QR. So here it is BC by QR whole square is there, but here we have only BC by QR into AD by PS. When it will become square, if you are able to convert AD by PS into BC by QR. If you replace this AD by PS as BC by QR, so then you will get BC by QR whole square, your proof is over. So AD by PS, look at this diagram. AD by PS, you have to convert this as BC by QR. Can you tell me how can you convert this? You need to convert AD by PS as BC by QR. If you convert AD and PS as BC by QR, then you will get the answer in one step. Tarun Goda.
By showing the similarity of PQR and RPQ, we can show those two triangles as similar.
No, first you show this ABD. Already these two triangles are similar, no? ABC and PQR are similar. Isn't it?
Yes.
AB by PQ, we have BC by QR. AB by PQ, we have BC by QR. If you are able to show that BC by QR is equal to AB by PQ, AB by PQ, if you are able to show that AD by PS, then your proof is over. So therefore, we need to take this triangle ABD and PQS. In triangle ABD and PQS, so let us take in triangle ABD and in triangle PQS. Okay, so let us show that these two triangles are similar. So once again we will go back to the diagram. How can we show that these two triangles are similar? ABD and PQS. ABD and PQS. Very simple. Can you tell me how can we show that these two triangles are similar? So this is perpendicular. This angle is, what is the measurement of this angle? ADB. 90 degree. Now I will write one more angle. I will write angle B is equal to angle Q. Can you tell me what is the reason? I will write this angle is equal to ABC similar to PQR. You got these two angles equal here. In these two triangles, this is 90 degree. Okay, this is 90 degree because perpendicular, and angle B is equal to Q. So therefore, I can write this as similar. So I will write angle B is equal to Q. Angle B is equal to Q because triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Similarly, angle D is equal to angle S. Both are equal to 90 degree. This is by construction. We constructed that as a perpendicular. So therefore, by AA similarity, you can write triangle ABD similar to triangle PQS. So we got triangle ABD similar to PQS. If they are similar, now you can write the corresponding sides are proportional. I can write AB by PQ is equal to AD by PS, and then another is there BD by QS. This is not required. BD by QS, this is not required for us. So we need only these two. Only two ratios let us take. All the three sides are proportional, but let us take only these two. AB by PQ is equal to AD by PS. But since triangle ABC similar to PQR, but we have what we have? AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR, and also it is equal to AC by PR. Isn't it? Now look at this. both. So this is, you can call this as 2 and this one 3. If you look at this also AB by PQ, this also AB by PQ, then all the 4 ratios are equal. So therefore I can write AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR is also equal to AD by PS. See, sides and median are all proportional now. All the 3 sets of triangle and altitude. Sorry, AD by PS not median, it is altitude. We proved that AB by PQ, BC by QR, AC by PR as well as AD by PS. Altitude is also proportional to their sides. So now let us come to this part. We got from 1. So let us write this again 1. From equation 1. From 1, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR. We have, what is that, BC by QR into AD by PS. So this is what we are adding here. So I will show you once again. So this is area of ABC by PQR. We have BC by QR into AD by PS. This is again I have written here. So this place, you come to this one. We have written here this one, BC by QR into AD by PS. So now in the previous step, BC by QR is same as AD by PS. So AD by PS I can change it as, so from this I can write, you can call this as 4. From 4, so area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR. So ABC by PQR is equal to BC by QR into, instead of AD by PS, let me write it as BC by QR. So it is BC by QR. So this is from fourth equation. So now, so area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to, we got BC by QR whole square. Now this is also same as BC by QR is same as AB by PQ. In place of BC by QR I can write AB by PQ the whole square. And AB by PQ is also same as other side AC by PR whole square. I can show that AC by PR whole square. So this is what we wanted to prove. Even you can write it is also same as AD by PS whole square. What is AD by PS whole square? It is the square of the ratio of their altitudes also. Even you can write, instead of writing AB by PQ, BC by QR, AC by PR, you can write AD by PS whole square also. Somebody if asked, prove that area of similar triangles is also equal to square of the ratio of their corresponding altitudes, means you can write this one. Is it clear? Even you can prove that corresponding medians also. Okay.